It's been a full day since the sky started raining acid out of the blue. Millions have died, but yet hope still lies in the survivors that a solution will be figured out and we can all be rescued. Are you fucking monologuing? Are you monologuing while looking into two different mirrors? Not like there's anything else to do in this stupid bunker. Ever since the stupid acid rain destroyed everything. Well, technically there isn't a single substance called acid that can just destroy everything. It's more like sulfuric acid, since it's solely been destroying metal and weak organic material. And since sulfuric acid is the only way of avoiding it is using glass and rock. You fucking nerd. I made beans! That's all you can make here. Man, life in this bunker sucks. I wish the acid would just finish melting through the door already. Fucking what? Wait, I'm alive? Why? Oh yeah, Belle said something about glass being unaffected by sulfuric acid. That means